गोवाचे बद्दल म्हाका खूब म्हायती आसा ह्या परिसरात आनी तांकां गरज पडटा निश्चित हांव तेजेर विचार करचो. पूण आयज पर्यंत तसो कांयच फुडें हेजेर कांय निर्णय जावंक ना. मुख्यमंत्री कडेन आमची चर्चा जाल्ली पूण मुख्यमंत्री सभापती हांकां सगळ्यांक घेवन वेवस्थीत मॉडॅलिटीज जे आसा ते ठरोवन फुडें तेजेर निश्चित आमी विचार करूं शकतात.
Vishwajit Rane informed that NCP and MGP along with Babush Monserrat are supporting Congress.
हांगा 7 जणांचो प्रश्न येना. मगो पक्ष काँग्रेस आघाडीक तेंको दिल्लो आसा, NCPचो आनी काँग्रेस बरोबर संबंद आसा आनी म्हाजो बी काँग्रेस कडेन संबंद आसा आनी ह्या काँग्रेसचो जो संबंद आसा म्हणूनच आमी तेन्ना सरकार काँग्रेसचो आमी स्थापन करपाक आमी पाठिंबो दिल्लो आनी ह्यान फुडें बी आमचो पाठिंबो ह्याच आघाडीचो सरकार जे नेतृत्व दिगंबर कामत करता तांकां आमचो तेंको आसतलो. पूण मुख्य म्हणजे हे सगळे जॉयनींग आनी हे सगळे गोश्टी जे आसा हे सगळे व्यवस्थितपणाने व्यवस्थित चर्चा करून जाता. बेश्टे पेपरार हांवें स्टेटमेंट दिली ही चुकीची गोष्ट. पेपरान जे कितें आयज पर्यंत येता हे सगळी चुकीची बातमी.
A reporter from Pedne, Vinod Mettar.
It's time for a short break. Watch sewerage dump outside Daboli Airport. Retaining wall worth ₹1 crore. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Today is the World Environment Day. With global warming, rampant power consumption and growing population, Mother Earth has become a fragile place to live. So, what next? What can we do to save Earth? Well, we can do a lot. We can protect our environment sitting at home or office by becoming a little cautious. Here are a few tips to keep our environment safe.
Here is the first step. Every day we all use internet search engines for browsing, but hardly we try to understand that these search engines consume lot of electricity as they have colorful display. But don't worry, there is one search engine in this world that has saved till today 12,70,000 watt hours of power. And this engine is called as Blackle, close cousin of Google. This engine saves lot of power because its display is black. A monitor consumes more power if the display is white or of some other color, but black screen saves it all. This can do a big change. So next time you are in office, don't hesitate to tell others to opt for this search engine for safer environment. And of course, don't forget to switch off the monitor of your PC when it is not in use. The second best way, save the paper. Have a look. We scribble on paper all the time. Most of the time we waste it. But there are lots of ways of saving it. If you save the paper, you save the tree. And thus you make your environment a safer place to live. Third, don't waste water. Water is very scarce in Goa. Don't let the tap of your basin just flow like anything. Millions don't get water to drink. Gone are those old days when we used to say that don't waste money like water. It is 21st century and it is time to say don't waste water like money. Walk few steps to the grocery shop if it is close by. Don't use your bike or car. And of course, say no to the plastic bag which shopkeeper gives you. Use rechargeable batteries instead of using the alkaline batteries. Switch off the lights when not in use. Now monsoon is approaching, so do try to plant at least one sapling for better tomorrow. Our senior reporter from Panji, Rakesh Kandolkar, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
Work of retaining wall on at Porvorim Highway is still pending even after 2 years. After that major landslide in 2007, authorities started this work calling it the topmost priority, but the task is still incomplete. According to Chief Engineer of PWD A. Vachasundar, the cost for this work has reached to whooping figure of ₹1 crore.
This retaining wall has cost Goans dearly. First, the work is incomplete even after one monsoon. Second, the cost of construction has hit the figure of ₹1 crore.
Mud clearing last time it was, I don't remember exactly, but it was somewhere 75 lakhs or something like that was here. That we had taken under natural calamity. Natural calamity. But, no, center for this retaining wall they must be spending about 30 lakhs or something like that. I don't remember exact figure, but like that.
Vachasundar gave the reason for the slow processing of the work.
One contractor was there, he left the work, so therefore we are required to terminate it. And then now once another agency is being deployed, And as it is, as the central government is involved here, the process is a little bit slow. But there should not be any anxiety with the public as regards to the traffic and all that.
The chief engineer informed that the work would get completed within a month.
Our field fellows are telling that now within say 1 month's time that thing will be completed. And you can also see that there is no much danger there. It is just no, I don't think. Even if I am permitted, even with without returning wall also there was no danger.
Our senior reporter from Panaji, Rakesh Kandolkar.
A surprising thing was noted just outside the airport premises. It was noticed that some polythene bags full of sewage waste were lying outside the airport area. Some locals claimed that it was the waste from the flights which was dumped there by the airport authority.
It was noticed that some packed polythene bags were lying outside the airport area. These bags were giving a bad odor. Locals who traveled from this area were seen troubled with the smell. Locals claim that these waste bags are full of sewage waste and are dumped by the airport authorities.
आता कोणाच्यो आमचे लोक हांगासर वता आसतना तांकां वास येवपा लागलो तेन्ना तांणी सांगलें अशें उडयलें म्हणून त्यो प्लास्टीक पोतयांनी उडयल्ले आसा एअरपोर्टा वयल्यान उडयला खंयच्यान उडयला प्लेनांतल्यो खंयच्यो आसा कितें आसा ते एक्झॅक्टली हांव सांगूं शकना पण म्हाका संशय येता की ह्या प्लास्टीक बॅगान पॅक करून उडयल्या म्हणटकच त्यो फ्लायटाची जे पळय ती घाण आसा ती हांगा उडयल्ली अशें म्हाका संशय येता एक्झॅक्टली हांव सांगूं शकना.
When airport authority was questioned, airport authority sent their official along with 2 helpers to inspect the site. But the official preferred to hide behind the car covering his nose. This is the reason he gave for his act.
तू गाडये फाटल्यान रावन कितें करता
नरेंद्रान म्हाका सांगले तसो हांव येयलो कितें पळयला गाडये फाटल्यान रुमाल घेवन रावलो
सकयल कित्याक देवना
वास येवपाक लागलो
वास कसलो तोच सांग
संडासाचो कसो वास येता
The media person, when asked him about the incident, he seemed confused over the whole issue.
एअरपोर्टाचे न्हू एअरपोर्टाचे असले कितें तरी टॅग आसतले असले
ना पण एअरलाइन्साचे टॅक्स न्ही एअरलाइन्साचे म्हणलेले हा
एअरपोर्ट आपले टॅग मारून उडयता कितें भायर
इतली स्मार्ट इतली पेशा कितें एअरपोर्ट
हय
एअरपोर्टाचो लोक कितले पेसा की आपणाचो स्टॅप मारून हे बाबा आमचो गो म्हणून सांगतले हा म्हणजे तो
रिपोर्ट कितें आसतलो तुमचो आतां रिपोर्ट कितें आसतलो एअरपोर्टाचे तुमकां दिसता की दिसना कितें हांव सांगूंक शकना
फ्लायटाचे न्हू ते फ्लायटाचे सेवरेज
एअरपोर्टाचे सोडून दे
एअरपोर्ट न्हू फ्लायटाचे सेवरेज न्हू ती
फ्लायटाचे जावंक शकता
कित्याक आनी ना जाल्यार तुमकां आनी कोणाचेर डावट येता
आतां कोणाचें म्हण हांव कितें सांग
Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkekar.
Stay with us for a candid chat with IPL star Swapnil Asnorkar and more news from sports. We will be right back.